This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask in React.js. First, set up your React application using a tool like Create React App. Next, install a library such as ethers.js, which simplifies interaction with the Ethereum blockchain. It is crucial that users have the MetaMask browser extension installed and active. We will then create a specific React component to manage all the connection logic. To connect, first check for the window Ethereum object, which MetaMask injects into the browser. If present, you can then request the user's accounts. This action will prompt MetaMask to ask for permission to connect. Once approved, store the returned account address in your application state. Remember to implement error handling for instances where the user might decline the connection request. It's vital to manage dynamic changes. Listen for the Accounts Changed event to automatically update your application when the user switches accounts in MetaMask. Similarly, the Chain Changed event helps detect when the user switches networks, like from mainnet to a testnet. If your application requires a specific network, gently prompt the user to switch. Always update your user interface to show the current wallet and network. To send transactions, utilize a provider and signer from your chosen library, like ethers.js. Construct your transaction object, specifying the recipient address, the value in Ether, and any necessary data for smart contract interactions. Always present clear transaction details to the user before they confirm in MetaMask. Finally, ensure you have comprehensive error handling in place for any transaction failures or user rejections, providing a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.